Today we are going to discuss about urea cycle. Prior to knowing about the reaction sequence of this urea cycle, let us know about the alternative name. Urea cycle can also be named as urea bicycle, Krebs-Hensley cycle, ornithine cycle. Now what is urea cycle? It is a process by which ammonia, which is highly toxic and water-insoluble substance, is converted to urea. And this urea is less toxic, highly water-soluble auxiliary waste product. Thus, it is a mechanism for the excretion of nitrogen in human being. Now let us know the site of occurrence. If you look into the subcellular site of occurrence, then it will be mitochondrial matrix and cytosol. And what is the main site of occurrence? It will be the liver. Let us study the reaction sequence of this urea cycle. In this urea cycle, first of all, ammonia will be reacting with the carbon dioxide and it will be forming carbamyl phosphate in the mitochondria. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthetase. And this carbamyl phosphate synthetase enzyme requires N-acetyl glutamate as a coenzyme. Thereafter, ornithine transcarbamylase transfers carbamyl group from carbamyl phosphate to ornithine and it forms citrulline. After this step, citrulline it combines with L-aspartate and forms argininosuccinate. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme argininosuccinate synthetase. Thereafter, the enzyme argininosuccinase hydrolyzes argininosuccinate to form arginine and fumarate. Out of these two products, the fumarate will be entering the mitochondria where it will be converted to oxaloacetate via tricarboxylic acid cycle, which is also referred to as Krebs cycle. During this step, as it is linking the product of one cycle, which is urea cycle, to another cycle, which is the Krebs cycle, as such, this cycle is also known as urea bicycle, as because it is linking two cycle. And also, it is also known as Krebs-Hensley cycle. In the last reaction, arginine is hydrolyzed by the enzyme arginase to form urea. Along with what? Along with ornithine. And this ornithine is regenerated in the cycle. As ornithine is also generated during this last reaction, as such the name of the cycle is also known as ornithine cycle. So this much for today. Thank you all.